Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 GMC Yukon. This Yukon is featured in the SLT trim and is in a black paint finish. The vehicle has features including an easy open rear hatch, third row power folding seating, second row outboard heated captain seats, first row heated and vented seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, and full sensors. Into the front of the Yukon, we can see on our door we have our chrome door handle. Just beyond that is our door lock controls. Moving down, we can see all of our powered outside mirrors. We have our powered windows, as well as our window locks. Moving down slightly on the door, we have all of our memory seats for our driver. A little bit of storage in front of that. Moving up and to the left of our dash, we have some buttons, extra buttons. We have our ABS, our sensors, our lane keep assist, and our power pedals. Then moving below that, we have our lighting controls for our central dash, our outside lighting, our drive select, as well as our trailer assist. Moving up to the middle, we have our display cluster with digital speedometer and information system in the middle. To the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise control. Just to the right and top of that, we have our forward collision warning. At the bottom, the heated steering wheel. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, all of our hands-free settings. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system, which includes our Apple CarPlay, our navigation, our Android Auto, as well as our backup camera. Below, we have some additional buttons. So we have our eject for our DVD player in the back. We also have a button that lifts the screen up. Behind the screen, we have a USB and some extra storage if we choose to charge our phone back there. Moving down a little bit more, we have our dual front zone climate control, as well as our rear climate buttons. On the left-hand side, we have all of our heated and vented front seats. The right-hand side is the passenger heated and vented. Once again, down, we have a 12-volt plug, as well as two USBs, and some storage in front of that. Then back a little bit in our center console, we have two cup holders. We have our center console, additional storage on top. Inside the center console itself, we have some deep storage. On the right-hand side, closest to our passenger, two USBs and an auxiliary cable. On the left side, close to our driver, we have our 12-volt plug. Moving across to our seats in the front row, we have a white trim on our black leather that are, of course, they're heated and vented. Up to the bottom of this rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings. Above, we have our garage door settings, our light controls, our sunroof controls, the button to open our trunk from our front, our additional light controls for our door. We have a fold down sunglass holder and another sunglass holder there. Then lastly, we have our sunroof. Walking down the side of the Yukon, we can see we have our 3M protective covering on the front. Our wheels, we can see we have our aluminum finish. Moving up, we have our paint match mirror, as well as our paint match door handle with easy access and lock from push of a button. Moving down, we have our step up. We have once again the easy lock in our second row, the SLT badging between our second and third row window. On the back of the vehicle, we have our GMC banding in the middle, our Yukon banding in the bottom left. Opening the vehicle, we can press the button there. You can see our backup camera as it opens. Opening up, we can see we have our 60/40 third row seating. A little bit of extra storage in the bottom. On the right-hand side, we have our second row rear fold, as well as our power third row. We can do that just with the press of a button and a hold, and it lays down flat. Then for the row in front, we press the button and it lays down automatically. Now into the back, we can see we have our chrome door handle, our window control, as well as a cup holder, a little bit of extra storage in the bottom. Inside the vehicle, we can see that we have our magazine holder in the seats in front of us for our second row captains. In the middle, a 110-volt plug, as well as a 12-volt on the right side. We have all of our second row climate control with our heated seats in the middle. At the bottom, we have an auxiliary as well as two HDMI or USBs and an HDMI. Moving up, we can see that we have our center DVD console for the second row seats as well as third row seating. And that just unlocks with a push of the button at the top. Our second row seats, we have dual captain chairs in our black leather. Moving into the back of the vehicle, the third row, we can see we have a cup holder and some storage on either side. We once again have our black leather. On the other side, we have two cup holders as well as a 12-volt plug. And our third row is power folding 60/40. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 GMC Yukon. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.